welcome back to another video. It's been quite a while. I'll go through it right now why. Basically, those of you who don't know, if you haven't got me on Instagram, you've been following what's been happening, the focus is gone. Unfortunately, I decided to sell it. I know I spent a lot of money on it, but I sold it to my mate Levi, the one with the orange M4, and he went out of it with one of our mates Stephen. So they're enjoying it, thrashing it round. Levi's curved the wheel already, you know, so I'm a bit sad about that, but it's not my car anymore, so they do with what they want with it. So we'll go through a little bit of a story of what's been going on, basically, because I'm now, well, this video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to go and pick up a new car. I'm not going to reveal what it is, so obviously by the thumbnail it'll be blanked out and all that. I'll show it when we're there. If you got me on Instagram, obviously you'll already know what car I've gone for, because I have posted it on there. So let's go through the story of what's been happening. It's been a while. So basically, I bought, well, I put the deposit down on an M4. It was a convertible version. My girlfriend liked it, I liked it, so we were going to go and buy it. Basically, we were on our way to pick it up, and the guy phoned up and said, "Oh, unless you remember how far, half an hour away we were." He goes, "Mate, I'm not happy with this car. I think it's been crashed." I was like, waiting for the day to tell me that's been crashed, and we were driving like 2.5 hours. So anyway, I was only half an hour away, went there, had a look around it. Yeah, one of the wheels were cambered in a lot more than the other side. The headlight was different, like it had the date that the headlight was made, and it was different to the other side, and everything just looked very clean for the front end. So I ended up leaving that due to that, and I had a suspicion the mileage was clocked on it because the seat and the steering wheel were a lot more worn than the mileage was saying. So we ended up leaving that. Found another one, M4, non-convertible, it's a coupe version. If you got me on Instagram, you would have seen me post that. I actually bought that car and I went to pick it up. Drove 5 hours to pick it up, got home, I loved it, you know, I didn't think anything was wrong with it. Absolutely beautiful car. Booked it into Demon Tweaks, local to me, to get some wheel spacers put on. And I said to them while it was there, will you check it over for me? So they checked it over. Numerous amount of problems. Diff was pissing oil everywhere, engine was pissing oil, 2 bald rear tyres and a snap rear spring. So I got rid of it. I sent it, because I was in my 14-day period, I sent it back. I was like, mate, I don't even want it fixed because you haven't put the effort into it. So yeah, we got rid of that, that's gone. Put a deposit on a C250D Mercedes, because I need something a bit more economical, because the Furra has decided to die on me as well. But found out that when I looked at the prices of the car, it was £4 over like what it should be selling for. Yeah, so scratch that. I got rid of that. So now we are on the way to pick up the next car. It's been 2.5 months of trying, so I'm hoping this is going to be the one. It's a bit different to what I would normally go for. It's a beautiful colour. It's a sporty car, like it's a sports coupe. And to be honest, I didn't think I'd end up buying one, but yeah, we're going for it. Test drove it, best car I've ever driven. I'll give you a couple of clues. It's Nardo Grey, it's 4-wheel drive, and it's got a DSG box. That's all you're knowing for now. So we got a 2-hour drive to Anslow. It's not too far past Stoke-on-Trent, to go and pick the car up. So once we get there, I'll pick the camera up and we'll get this new car reveal done and introduce you to the guys at the dealership, because you know they're offering to put fuel in the car for me. They're giving it a good polish before I have it, and no dealership's done that since I've been on my car adventure. So I highly recommend them, and I will leave links to the dealership in the description if you want to check them out and possibly get a car. I'll also give you a little show around the showroom when we get there. There's some nice cars, so yeah, we'll pick the video up when we get there, guys. Right, so now we've just made it to Anslow Autos, so now I'm going to get the car going. I'm dying for a piss, so I need that first, and then we'll talk to the owner and I'll show you around the car. I'm not going to be doing a cinematic, can't be bothered with any of that. Literally just going to swing the camera around and I'll talk to you about the spec and all that, and then we'll end the video there when we've seen the car, because I'll do a first drive and all that once it's home. And she's driving back on her own, unlucky.
Want a cup of tea, Andrew?
Look at that, boys. Just come straight here and the man's giving us.
How are you?
Nice to see you again.
Okay?
Yeah, he's going to give me a cup of tea. So if you come here, you get tea, you get good service, and look at all these cars, man. Yeah, so they put a lot of preparation into their cars. Literally, they're all immaculate. The car I've gone for is literally sitting by the door and it's gleaming. So I will do a little cinematic of that in a minute. So I'm just gonna have a chat with the owner and obviously sort everything out, and then I'll reveal the car. Right, so I'm gonna do the reveal of the car now. So obviously it's very different to what I'd normally go for, but I'm absolutely in love with it. It's how clean they've got it is unreal, and it smells beautiful inside. So I'm just gonna spin the camera now and I'll talk to you about what this car is. So here it is. Gone for 2018 Audi TT Coupe. As you can see, it's finished in Nardo grey and it is absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love this colour. It's got this little stick-up wing, such a sporty car. It's got the twin exhaust on the back, and for a standard car this thing sounds amazing. Like, I was so shocked when I took it out. It is a Quattro, so it's got 4-wheel drive system. It's covered 36,000 miles and it's a 2-litre TFSI, and it is S-Line model. Like, it's absolutely immaculate. Just show you inside. Yeah, so it's got like the proper LED display on there. It's like, so the whole screen turns into like your sat nav and that. Oh, it smells beautiful in here. The seats are immaculate. Everything's just, it's spotless. That's how you expect to see a car. So yeah, if you come here, I don't know if you can see over there, it's Anslow Autos. I will drop a link to their website in the description, so come and check them out. And I do highly recommend these guys. Their cars are... Abby, it's just the best place we've been to so far, yeah, for like how good the cars look. Like, they're spotless, and they're inside, so it's better for having a look around the car as well. So we got a 12-month free breakdown, 12-month warranty, and it's no interest, and it's like £40 a month for a year, so I'm happy with that, because if anything happens, then I can get it fixed. Now these guys are generally amazing, like, good service. Cup of tea. Can't go nowhere without a cup of tea. So clean. So this is the stuff I was on about that smells amazing, and our guy Ray has given me for Christmas, so thank you very much.
No problem at all.
Business has been with you. Best guy going, best guy going.
Thank you.
Don't get freebies anywhere else. Oh, I'm going to be smashing that stuff everywhere.